Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Come along this week as we travel up the North Dallas Tollway to one of the fastest growing, fastest moving, all of them start with F, cities in America, Frisco, Texas, where we'll show you how we took this exposed hot patio and turned it into this. And all of that's next on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey guys, we are super excited to announce our new ebook, Affordable Backyard Construction, Backyard Secrets. It's all the stuff most contractors wouldn't want you to know, and it's available free if you go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com, if you wait till the end of this message, or if you look down in the description, you'll find a link. Thanks a lot and hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's start off by taking a look at the site. Now, first off, as much as these homes cost, you'd think there'd be more put for a backyard for these folks than this. But if you'll look, that original, they've poured extra patio. You can see it underneath the red furniture, the orange furniture. Their actual patio in this monster-sized house was really about 6 foot by 8 foot, barely enough for two people to stand under. I'm ranting. Anyway, as much as they cost, you should get more for your money. Now let's talk about the job. The components that make up this cute pergola is a 6x6 cedar post that sits on a Simpson post base that's bolted to that new concrete. You got decorative lower post trim package. It's got a 4x12 beam that holds up this end of the roof. Back against the wall is a 2x8 ledger board that's bolted into the frame of the house. The 2x6 joists are connected there with hurricane straps. And then if you look back this way, you get a good shot of how the beam rests on the single post and how it's bolted against and into and through that concrete pillar. That thing is solid. Those cross braces are 4x6. It's also a good shot of how the joists go across that beam, and you get a good shot of those shade boards, which are 2x4s. Most of the time we use 2x2s, but in this case the customer wanted 2x4s, so that's what we did. Well, you know what that music means. Time for me to shut up and let you walk this job one last time. We really appreciate you coming along this week on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.